Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Axel Fariza Aditama. I'm here to give a speech about boomerang. I am going to inform and visualize the audience about more details of a boomerang. The boomerang has become a familiar tool for all of us and is widely known for its stories. This is because the boomerang became one of the most excellent hunting tools in the past, known for its aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is very closely related to our school, which has a subject focusing on aeromodeling. Many of us know about the boomerang, with its popularity used as a hunting weapon for Aboriginal people in Australia. But do you know the shape, material, and the kind of boomerang itself? Okay, first I'm going to introduce the boomerang. The boomerang is a simple weapon typical of the Australian Aborigines whose material is made of wood and used for hunting. Boomerang can also be used as a recreational tool and competition in various regions. There are different types of throwing contests such as accuracy return race, time in the air, etc. This object has very high aerodynamic because in its concept it's used by being thrown and then it can return by itself to its original place. The returning boomerang is a rotation wing. It consists of two or more arm or wing connected at an angle. Its wing is formed as part of the airfoil. This boomerang has two or more airfoil wings arranged so that the spinning creates unbalanced aerodynamic force. That curve is path, so that it travels in an ellipse, returning to its point of origin when thrown correctly. Boomerang can be divided into two. The first is hunting boomerang, a non-returning boomerang that was used by Aboriginal people for hunting, and the second is returning boomerang, a boomerang that if thrown can turn back again. A boomerang can be made for right or left-handed throwers. The difference between right and left is subtle. The flat shape is the same, but the front edge of the airfoil is reserved. Right-handed boomerang flies in a counterclockwise direction to the left, while left-handed boomerang flies clockwise to the right. Falling boomerang starts spinning and the mouse then fall in a spiral. When the boomerang is thrown with a high spin, a boomerang flies in a curve rather than a straight line. When thrown correctly, a boomerang returns to its starting point as the wing rotates and the boomerang moves through the air. The airflow over the wings created lift on both wings. The airfoil-shaped portion should be facing the pitcher in and the flatter side facing out. Usually tilted outward from an almost vertical position to 20 degrees or 30 degrees, the stronger the wind, the closer to vertical. The boomerang elbow can be pointed forward or backward. It can be grasped or thrown. It just needs to start turning at the required tilt in the desired direction. In the correct force, boomerang has several ways to handle it. The handle used depends on the size, shape. Smaller boomerang are held between the finger and the thumb at one end, while larger, heavier, or wider boomerang with one or two fingers are wrapped around the top edge to trigger rotation. Lots of ingredients for boomerang. Boomerang are usually made from piece of wood, but historically there are also boomerang made of bone. But because the times now object can also be made of plastic, ABS plastic, or high-tech materials such as carbon fiber. Besides that, the boomerang also has a variety of shape and size depending on geographic location, ethnic origin, and uses. In conclusion, the boomerang is a simple throwing tool that can be made of various materials that have high aerodynamic and have a historical past but are still used today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Impression of a pilot. Flight is freedom in its purest form. To dance with the cloud which follow a storm. To roll and glide, to wheel and spin. To feel the joy that swells within. To live the earth with its traveling fly. And know the warmth of a clear spring sky. Then back to earth at the end of the day, released from the tension which melted away. Should my end come while I'm in flight, whether brightness day or darkness night, spare me your pity and shock of the pain, secure in the knowledge that I'll do it again. For each of us is created to die, and within me I know I was born to fly.